Hello guys, welcome to the fifth part of the video of Pentium 4 project. Today I just found the bargain for the CPU. I had to upgrade my from a single core Pentium 4 at 2.4 running 2.4 GHz and front side bus at 533 to 3.2 GHz. Hyper-threading CPU. We have right here the Pentium 4 running at 3.2 GHz. And it has 1 meg of level 2 cache. It's upside down, but the 3.2 gigahertz 1 meg and 800 frontside bus. This is the Pentium 4 with hyper-threading. Anyway, I also have the sticker. They give me the manual. Of course it's not important, but I'm going to show you. And we also have a sticker here of the Pentium 4, brand new. And yeah, I hope the application and all the games will run flawlessly on this machine. This is my old Pentium 4 that I have in a box. The 2.4 GHz. It has thermal compound spread everywhere. I also cleaned the CPU because he was dirty, and also the heatsink right here. You have to make sure that the heatsink is very clear and shiny, just like the processor, before applying the thermal compound. And what I can tell you, this combination with the hyper-threading running at 3.2 GHz and Geforce 4 Titanium and Creative CT4670, it actually needs more wattage. I mean a stronger power supply. This is my power supply that was previously installed right here in the case, and I had to change it one more, and today it seems that I'm going to change it again. And these are the specs for the power supply, 450 watts, but I can assure you that the wattage here is not what it says here, the 450. It's actually less than 450. I didn't return the power supply, the Delta Electronics, because probably I'm not going to get a refund on it. I talked to the seller, and he said if the power supply is actually working, he cannot actually give me a refund on it, even if I have a problem with my system. Anyway, so I'm going to try one more time to see how this power supply will handle with this Pentium 4 machine, and I just hope for the best. And yeah, this was my quick update for upgrading the CPU and this combination. All I can tell you is the computer shut itself off when he was trying to running the stress test or the benchmarking or other games. So what I recommend to you is when you try a project like this, the Pentium 4, and you have good parts like the Geforce 4 Titanium and sound card, very strong power CPU, and also the motherboard and the RAM, of course, this combination. Try using a strong power supply, just like the Corsair. I do recommend the Corsair or Thermaltake or the Antec, at least 750 watts, because this combination seems to likely draws a lot of power, you know, from the wall. So you have to make sure that you do have the very stable power supply. I do remember that my friend, when he had the Pentium 4 1.5 gigahertz, and he also with the Geforce 3 Titanium 200, he had a very strong power supply. It was hidden somewhere because the case was very ugly, but the power supply, I do remember there was over 750 watts back then. So if you imagine that, there was like 20 years ago. So yeah, it's very important that the Pentium 4 having the best components that you can get, so you can actually don't have any problem like me. Anyway, the last thing I want to show you is this. I managed to find used the 80mm fan. I did install it here for so I can test the airflow and all of that, because the hard drive gets very hot. This Diamond Max +8, it gets very hot. So it had before I'm mounting it here in the front, and remove the older one because it makes a lot of noise, and I just put it right here. In the sixth part of the video, I'm going to show you how the computer performing using this power supply and this all of the combination. Wish me luck, and see you in the sixth part of the video. Bye.